luscious, slightly pinkish rose. You'll find me now in Africa. I once lived in Asia. I can sleep in a river for hours together. I feed on moss plants and veggies. I look for goodies. I can do more than swim. I bounce around and spin. My calves weigh 100 pounds at birth and look so round. They always stay by my side at every step and stride. I live to be 40 years. I move in slow gear. I can move in quick bursts at times that are worse. I live with my herd pretty much. We don't eat so much. About 80 pounds of grass is all that we have. I can hold my breath for 5 minutes and that's about it. I'm like a ballerina. I bob like a star.
Subscribe and leave a comment.